Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though they have started to cannibalize themselves. I'm talking about, of course, the APC, the cabal, the Malami movement, the Fulanization, etc. It looks as though the green shoots of discord is starting to spring amongst these people, as we always knew it would, because these people, they cannot be trusted and they don't even trust themselves. So guys, I bring you this. Kano APC chieftain blast Buhari over Dasuki, says cabal ruling Nigeria. So that's the headline. Kano APC chieftain blast Buhari over Dasuki, says cabal ruling Nigeria. So now let's get into the body of the story. Former factional chairman of the All Progressive Congress APC in Kano, Alhaji Hussaini Alhaji Hussaini Mairiga has cautioned President Muhammadu Buhari to respect the rule of law following his alleged disobedience of several court injunctions asking for the release of former National Security Advisor Colonel Sambo Dasuki, retired. Mairiga called on Buhari to have the fear of God as well as obey several court orders and release Dasuki. Speaking yesterday, Mairiga said Buhari should release Dasuki. I am calling on Buhari to please release Dasuki to enable him join his family members who have been separated from him for over 4 years now. Mairiga, who is an APC chieftain in Kano, claimed that President Buhari on some occasions had disagreement with the First Lady, Hajiya Aisha Buhari, which the couple debated on and eventually settled within a few days. He therefore called on Buhari to sink whatever differences he had with Dasuki and release him, like he often amicably resolves his differences with the First Lady. I am therefore calling on President Buhari to please allow Dasuki to go home and have peace with members of his immediate family. Court has since granted him bail, and it is now left to President Buhari to obey court order and release him. Well, that will be the day. We have never known President Buhari to release, to obey rather, a court order that doesn't please him, and he has already said is above the law. So this guy is just whistling in the wind. So he continues, it should be recalled that Sambo Dasuki distributed the money given to him by former President Jonathan to the appropriate persons without taking any kobo, because Sambo Dasuki is an honest man. So this guy is now trying to act as a character witness for Sambo Dasuki. I'm not quite sure if he was there when the money was being distributed to be in a position to say this, but we carry on. If Buhari fails to release Dasuki in accordance to court order, it is injustice which Allah will not allow him, as Allah is for justice, fairness, and that of love. Buhari and his wife Aisha are always having their differences but are still together, whilst Dasuki's family members are in a traumatic condition without happiness. But why must Sambo continue to be in detention in defiance of a subsisting court order for his release? Mairiga further stated that Buhari is not in charge of governance but a cabal that are allegedly ruling the country, adding that based on the unwholesome trade, Aisha often challenges the president on the issue of cabal ruling the country instead of Buhari. On President Buhari's second coming, Mairiga says he's praying to Allah for Buhari to right all the wrongs of his first tenure as he ascends to the next level. Also, Mairiga condemned the recent order by Buhari to arrest and jail parents who refuse to enroll their children in school, arguing that how can a parent who has no money to feed send his children to school? For such an order to come into force, Buhari should lead by example by sending his children to public schools alongside that of his cabinet members instead of sending them abroad for studies. So now this is what a chieftain, and you don't get more Malami than a Kano man who is also a chieftain of the APC. So this is what an insider is now saying to Malam Buhari and the cabal, that enough is enough. Because what these people don't realize is that when these people, they said, oh, what is that saying again? First they came for the Jews. I am not Jewish, so I did not say anything. Then they came for the socialist. I am not socialist, so I did not say anything. So then they came for me. Then there was nobody to say anything. I'm sure that's not the saying, but that's the sentiment. So when they come for this one, you don't say anything. When they come for that one, you don't say anything. After they have now devoured everybody, the person left is you. So they are now devouring their own. They are now cannibalizing their own. So now the insiders are now crying out to say that look, we are supposed to be the insiders. It is the Yorubas and the Igbos that you are meant to be brutalizing now. Why are you brutalizing us? But then, of course, Malam Buhari, he brooks no dissent, and he will take no prisoners, and is out to pretty much do everybody, you know. So now the cracks are starting to show. The insiders are starting to now turn into the outsiders, and this guy that has now placed himself above the rule of law is now showing his teeth, and the people backing him are not quite liking the color of that teeth, because that teeth is not quite white enough. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. The Sambo Dasuki, Malam Buhari, of course, APC, the cabal, and Malamism. These are all the topics that we're looking to discuss in this video. But before you come join me in the comment section to carry this conversation forward, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray, bell button, that way you're notified every time I drop a new video. Then come let me know what you're thinking in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, but here I say peace.